semifinal, and I really thought that they almost wiped out on several occasions because they wanted to rise. So they still getting really high scores. And I thought, no, it's not right.
He was just killing it. It was like people came in, he got all the good waves. It was just like,
Now, if I was a knockout, I want to win.
I mean, they're getting paid like $100 million a year, so it has to be that much. It's like, they get paid that much. Yeah, I mean, they get paid, I think, gamers more like $1 to $2 million a year. They're getting paid like with all their stuff.
It's a tough career.
And then, when you compare it to like golf, I mean, golf makes so much money.